Mahshi Warak EH-nab, a dish older than the borders that divide the lands it comes from. From Bilad Ash-Sham, the green heart of the Levant, where the grapevine has climbed the same garden walls for 3,000 years, and where the leaves it sheds each spring are not swept away, but gathered and made into supper. This is not a fast dish. It was never meant to be. It is the kind of cooking that fills an afternoon, that asks the hands to slow down, one small leaf at a time. A hurried kitchen will tear the leaves or roll them loose, and they will fall apart in the pot. The patience is not a flaw in the recipe. The patience is the recipe. It serves 6, an hour to prepare, an hour to simmer, 2 hours in all. You will need 16 ounces of grape leaves, 1 pound of ground lamb, 1 cup of white rice, 3 lemons, 8 cloves of garlic, 4 new potatoes, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, zaytun pressed from the same hills as the vine, salt, black pepper, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground allspice, al-bahar, and 3 cups of chicken broth. First, the rice. Rinse it in cold water again and again until the water runs clear. Then let it drain. In a wide bowl, bring the lamb and the rice together. The allspice, half of the salt, the black pepper, and 2 spoonfuls of the olive oil. Work it gently with your fingers until it is one thing and no longer many. Now, the leaves. Rinse the Warak Enab under cool water, washing away the brine they were kept in. Pat each one dry, and with the tip of a knife, lift away any tough little stem so that nothing will catch, nothing will tear when the rolling begins. Lay a single leaf flat, vein side up, like an open hand. A teaspoon of filling, no more, near the stem. Fold the sides inward and roll slowly, tightly, toward the pointed tip. A small green parcel, no bigger than a finger. And then you do it again and again until the bowl is empty and a quiet army of little rolls waits before you. Slice the potatoes into rounds, and one of the lemons too. Lay the potato slices across the bottom of a heavy pot, a soft floor so that nothing scorches. Then pack the rolls in tight, layer over layer, pressed close like kindling. Between them, tuck the whole cloves of garlic and the bright wheels of lemon. Now the broth. Whisk the chicken broth with the juice of the 2 lemons that remain, the last of the olive oil, and the rest of the salt. Then pour it slowly over the rolls until they are nearly covered and the whole pot glistens gold and green. One last thing before the heat. Set a small heat-safe plate upside down over the leaves. A gentle weight to keep them from drifting loose. Cover the pot. Bring it just to a boil, then lower the flame as far as it will go. And now you wait 60 minutes while the rice swells and the lamb softens and the lemon works its way into everything. Stuffed leaves are older than almost any kitchen that makes them. They belong to a family that stretches across the whole Eastern Mediterranean, wherever the grapevine grows. In Greece, in Turkey, in Armenia and Persia and the Arab lands, each people rolls them a little differently, and each is certain theirs is the oldest. The truth is gentler. They all are. The name tells the whole story. Mah-SHEE simply means stuffed. Warak EH-nab, the leaves of the grape. Nothing hidden, nothing grand, just a description of a leaf and what was tucked inside it. A reminder that the finest dishes are often the most honest ones. In the old kitchens, this was never the work of one pair of hands. The grandmothers would say that Warak EH-nab is a dish you roll in company. Sisters and daughters gathered around one table, a bowl of filling in the middle, talking and rolling for hours. The pile grows faster, and the afternoon passes lighter when the leaves are folded together. And so it became the dish of gatherings, a wedding, a feast day, a long table set for more people than the house could hold. To serve Warak EH-nab is to say, I gave you my afternoon. I rolled each of these, one by one, and I thought of you with every fold. No words are needed. The plate has already spoken. When the hour is done, lift the plate away. Turn the pot out onto a wide dish, and there they are. Dozens of small, dark rolls, glossy with zaytun and lemon, the potatoes beneath gone golden and soft. Mahshi Warak Enab endures because it asks for nothing but time and tenderness. It cannot be rushed. It cannot be faked. It can only be made the slow way by someone who cared enough to sit and roll. And the table, at last, is set.